In this video, I'm going to show you how you can disable VPN Super Unlimited Proxy app notifications. If you're receiving a lot of alerts from this app and they are distracting you, then the best thing to do is to go ahead and put an end to them. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Now to do this, you need to access the app info page for us to turn this off. To do this, just long press on your app and you should see app info. If you can't see this app info option, you should see a settings gear or even the app name. Go ahead and tap on app info. And as you can see, we are on the app information page. From here, go to permissions section and you should see notifications under it. For the sake of this tutorial, I'm on a Redmi smartphone. However, this process should be more or less the same on any other Android smartphone. At this point, you can see all these types of notifications are on, among them notification badges, floating notifications, lock screen notifications, play sound vibration, and lastly, permanent notifications. And this is the reason you have been receiving all those notifications. To turn them off, go ahead and toggle off show notifications, and all of them will be switched off unless you go ahead and turn this on again. So that's how you can permanently stop VPN Super Unlimited Proxy app notifications. If you have any other question, please let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.